Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
गोंय ते मुंबय मार्गावेली कॉर्डेलिया कारावेला क्रूज परत सुरू जाता. आर्यन खान प्रकरणा खातीर ही क्रूज लायमलायटात आयिल्ली. ह्या क्रूजाक फुडलो शेड्यूल मेळ्ळा. ही बोट चालूच उरतली म्हूण एमपीटीचो उपाध्यक्ष सांगता.
Yeah. That's the controversy has nothing to do with the ship. It was a raid of the anti-narcotic bureau. They are all sorted out. Ship is coming here, no? Now they are given schedule. Here also we have discussed with the customs. They want some extra security arrangement. That all things are doing.
एमपीटी आझादी का अमृत महोत्सव कार्यावळी खाला एमपीटी वाठारात नितळसाणीचें काम सुरू केलां. ते निमतान दवरिल्ले कार्यावळी वेळार जीपी राय फुडल्या प्लाना विशीं उलयलो.
Yes, we already slashed our rate for 50%. First 2-3 movement we are giving free of cost because to bring back the container cargo. Because once it's stopped, again to regain it will take 2-3 months. Now activity is improving. No issue. The first it was 192, second it was 292 like that has come. So it will come back to the original.
बर्थ नावाचो फिजिबिलिटी रिपोर्ट युनियन मिनिस्ट्रीक धाडला.
What you call converting our berth number 9 to PPB berth for the iron ore. Berth number 10, 11 also we are going towards as a O&M management. We have already made a feasibility report. We have submitted to the ministry for berth number 9. Berth number 10, 11, some structuring issues are there. We are addressing that one. Thereafter we will submit to the ministry.
मल्टी यूज कार्गो सुरू करपाची तयारी.
I have no news about that one. I hope so. Definitely it will be sorted out by that time when project comes. Otherwise also we are giving option for multi-purpose cargo. Any cargo can be handled because in future what will happen we don't know. I know how many days it will be there, so we can't block the opportunity. So we are giving opportunity for the multi-user berth cargo.
CRZ सयत खुबश्यो गजाली सोडोवपा खातीर शिपिंग मिनिस्ट्री बरोबर चर्चा चालू आसतली. राज्य सरकारा बरोबरूय उलयतले.
Sir, we have heard that Minister of Shipping, Sripad Naikji, has been constantly in touch with the port. Any infrastructure-related development from that side, sir,
Yes,
from the ministry?
we already got a letter. I think tomorrow is going to Delhi. Thereafter, when he comes back, we'll have a discussion with the state government also. Some of our issues are there to take out that CRZ issues and all that he has promised.
आंतरराष्ट्रीय क्रूज टर्मिनलाचे PPP प्रकल्पा खातीर टेंडर काढला.
Yeah, we already called tender. Tender we have received also. 7 parties are there. Cochin Port is the PMC for that. And PPP project also we already already got sanctioned. They are put on website. Now we expect few parties will come. Few parties are showing interest also. It will be a successful project.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.